Hi friends, I am Silak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a 3D pop-up text effect on the Canva like this on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this 3D pop-up text effect on your Canva on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the apps and just search as text maker. Just type as text maker and just search it, and you can find the first application I just talking about. Click on the open the application now, and now you just need to search as 3D, or just click on this 3D tab on the top. Now you just need to go to the bottom section. Just scroll down to the bottom section. In the left hand side, you can find the text of font I just talking about. It will be like offer. It will be don't have a text like offer. Click on this. Now you just need to change the text. I just already typed my text. I just need to insert. Then you can just change the font if you just need it, or you can just add more options like a 3D. If you just need it, you can just adjust the 3D depth and also everything. And also the color might be customized. You can just click on the outline option, and you can see the color can be customized. So just go with red. So you can see the changes here on the top, or what are the color you just needed, or you just go with the same color you just needed. So I just go with the black color, and then you after deciding the color, outline text color, and you can just customize each color, 3D depth color, everything, and click on the add design option. Now choose the quality and click on the add design. So now your design has been added, and you can just resize it, and you can just place the text on the center, and you can just download it and use it. This is how you just create this 3D pop-up text effect on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.